Nestled between the sparkling Pacific Ocean and the lush Sierra Madre Mountains, Puerto Vallarta is a vibrant blend of natural beauty and rich culture. From its golden beaches and turquoise waters to its cobblestone streets and colorful art scene, this Mexican gem offers something for every traveler. Whether you're chasing sunsets, savoring fresh seafood, or exploring hidden gems, Puerto Vallarta promises an unforgettable escape. Today we share the top 10 best things to do in Puerto Vallarta so you can plan a trip and experience all the exciting attractions and activities this beautiful city has to offer. Starting with number 10, Los Arcos Marine Park. This natural wonder is a must-visit for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Towering rock formations rise from the sea, creating a paradise for marine life. Swim through underwater tunnels, spot colorful fish, and marvel at the coral reefs. Kayaking and paddleboarding offer a closer look at these iconic arches. The calm waters make it perfect for all skill levels. Boat tours provide a scenic way to enjoy the park, often including dolphin sightings. Los Arcos is a breathtaking escape into nature, making it a top spot for adventure seekers and ocean lovers. At number 9 is the Malacon Boardwalk. Strolling along the Malacon is a quintessential Puerto Vallarta experience. This oceanfront promenade is lined with vibrant sculptures, street performers, and cultural displays. Visitors can enjoy stunning sunset views, shop for handmade crafts, or stop at one of the many cafes and restaurants. The nightlife scene comes alive with music and entertainment. The Malacon blends art, history, and local charm, offering something for everyone. Whether it's taking photos with the famous seahorse statue or savoring authentic Mexican cuisine, this lively boardwalk captures the spirit of Puerto Vallarta like no other place. At number 8, Playa Los Muertos. This is Puerto Vallarta's most famous beach, known for its golden sand and lively atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to sunbathe, swim, or try water activities like parasailing and jet skiing. The iconic pier is a great place for a stroll, especially at night when it lights up beautifully. Beachfront bars and restaurants offer delicious seafood and refreshing cocktails. Live music and street vendors add to the fun. Whether you're looking for relaxation or excitement, Playa Los Muertos delivers an unforgettable beach day in the heart of Puerto Vallarta's romantic zone. At number 7, Mirador de La Cruz. If you're looking for the best panoramic view of Puerto Vallarta, this is the place. The hike up is a bit challenging, but the reward is breathtaking. At the top, visitors get an incredible bird's-eye view of the ocean, mountains, and cityscape. It's an ideal spot for photographers and nature lovers. The climb takes about 20 minutes, but there are rest stops along the way. Sunset is the most magical time to visit. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just want to soak in the beauty, this lookout point is absolutely worth the effort. At number 6 in our list, El Salado Estuary. This protected ecological reserve offers a unique glimpse into Puerto Vallarta's rich biodiversity. Guided boat tours take visitors through winding mangrove channels, where they can spot crocodiles, birds, and marine life. Kayaking is another great way to explore the area's natural beauty. The estuary plays a vital role in the local ecosystem, making it an educational and scenic visit. At number 5, Vallarta Botanical Gardens. Escape into nature at this lush sanctuary filled with exotic plants, orchids, and native wildlife. The trails lead through dense jungle, offering stunning views and peaceful surroundings. A highlight is the crystal-clear river where visitors can take a refreshing dip. The on-site restaurant serves delicious food with a view of the greenery. Birdwatchers will love spotting colorful species like hummingbirds and parrots. It's a perfect day trip for nature lovers, providing a relaxing break from the city. At number 4, Marina Vallarta. This upscale district offers a different side of Puerto Vallarta, featuring luxury yachts, fine dining, and stylish boutiques. The Marina's Boardwalk is perfect for a sunset stroll, with scenic views of boats and the ocean. Golf lovers can enjoy the top-rated Marina Vallarta Golf Club. Restaurants serve fresh seafood and international cuisine. The area is also home to markets selling local crafts. Whether you're looking for a romantic evening, a great meal, or a leisurely walk, Marina Vallarta provides a sophisticated yet relaxing escape from the busy tourist areas. At number 3 in our list, Church of Our Lady of Guadalupe. This iconic landmark stands as a symbol of Puerto Vallarta's rich history and culture. Its stunning bell tower and intricate architecture make it one of the city's most photographed sites. Visitors can admire the beautiful interior, featuring ornate altars and religious artwork. During the annual festival in December, the church becomes the heart of grand celebrations and parades. Whether attending a service or simply exploring its beauty, this historic church is a must-visit. Its central location makes it easy to add to any sightseeing itinerary in Puerto Vallarta. At number 2, Isla Quail. This hidden gem offers a peaceful escape in the middle of the city. The small island, located in the Quail River, is filled with charming markets, art galleries, and shaded walking paths. Visitors can shop for handcrafted souvenirs or visit the cultural museum showcasing local history. The island is home to friendly iguanas, adding to its tropical charm. It's a great place to enjoy a quiet moment away from the busy streets. Check out the number 1 places in our list, Marietta Islands. A short boat ride from Puerto Vallarta, this protected marine reserve is famous for its hidden beach, Playa del Amor. The islands are a paradise for snorkeling, kayaking, and whale watching. The vibrant coral reefs and crystal-clear waters make it a dream destination for nature lovers. Access to the hidden beach is limited, adding to its exclusivity. The surrounding waters are home to dolphins, manta rays, and tropical fish. Whether on a guided tour or a private charter, visiting the Marietta Islands is an unforgettable adventure in Puerto Vallarta's breathtaking seascape. Now it's time to hear from you. What's your favorite thing to do in Puerto Vallarta? Is there something we missed? Let us know in the comments section below, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to Greenable if you haven't already. Click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest content.